Good morning students. In the last video we have done up to question number 6. Today we are going to deal question number 7. Simplify the following. These types of simplification you have to follow the BODMAS rule in these questions. Okay. BODMAS rule means bracket of division, then it comes what? Addition, multiplication, then addition and at last subtraction. But in bracket there is some rules. In bracket also there are certain kind of brackets like bar bracket. This is called bar bracket. Then comes common bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket. So according to the bracket we have to do the calculation. First we do the bar bracket work first. Okay. So in this question number 7, A number, you can see there is a bar bracket, common bracket, curly bracket also. So first of all we will calculate the bar bracket. So other parts we have to write as it is. Bar bracket is 121 divided by 11. 11 ja 121. So we will write 11 here. We have done the division and bar bracket you have to remove. And this 3 as it is, 5 as it is, bracket. Now 24 minus same. Now we are going to do the work of common bracket. So other number you have to write as it is. 11 3 ja 33 plus 5. Okay. Now next is curly bracket. So this is in plus, this is in plus. Plus plus plus. So 12 plus 5, 17. 17 minus 33. And 17 minus 33 is equal to what? Minus 16. Because it is bigger than this, its sign is negative. So we will give its sign here. Now curly bracket is there because there is a minus sign. Now you have to remove the curly bracket also. So minus minus will get plus. 24 plus 16 is equal to 40. This is the answer. Next is 4 of under in the curly bracket 12 into 5 plus 3. There is a bar here. Okay, another number. So as it is you have to write other number. So so that we can do the bar bracket work first. 5 plus 3 is equal to what? 8. 12 into 8 will be equal to what? 96. Other numbers you have to write as it is. And now common bracket. 12 8 ja 96 minus 4. 96 minus 4 is equal to what? 92. So we have removed this bracket now because its work is over. Now divided by 4 and there is a curly bracket. For 4, 23 times it will cancel. Okay, and 4 of 23. BODMAS rule, what do you know about this? BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Of means also multiplication, but we do the work of, if somewhere off is written and multiply is also written, so you will do the work of off first. Off is also multiply, you have to do the multiplication. 4 into 23, that is equal to 92. This is the answer. Okay. Now we will discuss the rest of the questions. C, D, E is your homework. You have to try it. Okay. Any doubt you can ask me in the group. Now what problem? Exercise 1.3. Question number 1. In a competitive examination, 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks are deducted for each incorrect answer, and no marks are given for a question which are not attempted. So you have to answer this. Nishi appeared in the examination and attempted 12 questions correctly and 5 questions incorrectly. 12 question correctly means she will score 5 marks for each question, correct question. So 12 question, 5 into 12. She will score 60 marks for correct answer. And 5 questions she has done incorrect. So her marks will also be deducted. 2 marks will be deducted for each question. So however she did not attempt 3 questions. What will be her score? So it is very simple. You have to write it like this. Number of correctly attempted question is equal to what? 12. 12 questions she has attempted correctly. Marks for each question. Each correct question is what? 5. So Nishi scored for correct answer. 12 into 5 is equal to what? 60 marks. And number of incorrect question is what? How many incorrect questions she has attempted? 5. So marks deducted for incorrect answer is equal to 5 into 2. Why 2? Because 2 marks for each question. Okay, 5 2 ja 10. Total marks scored by Nishi is equal to 60 minus 10, that is equal to 50 marks. Okay. And next question, Rohan attempted 7 questions correctly and 9 questions incorrectly. He did not attempt 4 questions. What will be his score? It is also very simple. Marks scored for 7 correct answers, 7 into 5. We know 5 marks for each question, so 7 5s are 35 marks. He has scored for correct answer. But for incorrect answer, 9 incorrect answer he has deducted. His marks was deducted. 9 into 2 is equal to 18 marks. So total marks scored by Rohan is equal to what? 35 minus 18, that is equal to 17. Got it? Now question number 2. Question number 2 you leave. No need to do this question because there is some problem in this question. Okay. Now question number 3. Gaurav's bank balance was 2000. His bank balance was 2000, but in a month he deposited this much amounts. Okay, 300, 750 and 450 he has deposited more and issued checks worth rupees 700 and 1250, means this money amount he has withdrew through the check. Okay, find the balance in Gaurav's account at the end of the month. So at the end of the month, what is the Gaurav's bank balance? Simple it is. Gaurav's now how much money he has in the bank? 2000, and he has deposited 300, 750 and 450 more. So add this total 1500 he has deposited in a month. So he withdrew some money also by check, 700 and 1250 also he has withdrew money from the bank after putting some money. So he has withdrew how much? 1950. Okay. Then Gaurav's account balance at the end of the month will be what? Before his balance was 2000, then he has put more money, that is equal to 1500. You have to add this to. Now he withdrew this much money. Okay. So you will subtract it. So this plus this minus this. This will be his bank balance. Okay. Now question number 4. Imagine that you are a fighter pilot flying a jet aircraft at an altitude of 20,000 feet. You lower the aircraft by 7,000 feet and then raise it by 5,000 feet. Means he then lowered his altitude by 7,000 and after that he again raised the height of the jet plane. What is the net change in the altitude? You have to find the net change and also find the altitude after the 2 changes. So you have to do it like this. A fighter pilot flying a jet at an altitude of 20,000 feet. He is flying above. Now he has lowered the altitude by 7,000 feet and then he raised it by 5,000 feet. Okay. So we have written all the things which is given in the question. After that, net change in the altitude. Only the change you have to write. What is the net change? First he raised, then first he lowered the altitude, then he raised. So 7,000. You can subtract it. How much lowered? What is the difference between these two altitudes? 7,000 minus 5,000. Only 2,000 feet lowered. Or you can write it like this. First he lowered, so minus 7,000 and then he raised. So plus 5,000. So minus plus minus. Minus 2,000 feet is decreased feet. This much feet he decreased. Okay, altitude. Or you can write it like this also. Now, altitude after 2 changes. After the 2 changes, what is the altitude? Before the altitude of the jet plane was this. And after the 2 changes, first he lowered. So we have subtracted first, then he raised. So we have added 5,000. First he lowered, so subtract. Then he raised, so plus. Okay. Then this 2 you can subtract or this 2 you can add first. 20,000 plus 5,000, that is equal to 25,000. Actually you should do plus first. Okay. So 25,000 minus 7,000, that is also equal to 18,000 only. Okay. But only difference is I have subtracted it first or you can add it first. According to BODMAS, we always do the work of addition first. So this is in plus, this is also in plus. So plus and then minus 7,000. So instead of this, you can do this step. Okay, so 18,000 feet is the altitude after the 2 changes in the feet, okay, in the altitude of the jet plane. So question number, students, question number 5, 6, 7 you have to try. Okay, this is your homework. If not, if you will not be able to do, then I will do for you. But first you have to try. Any doubt you can ask in the group. Okay. Next day we will start the new chapter, chapter number 2, fractions. But before that you have to complete this mental maths and practice time also by yourself. This is very important. You have to do it. Till then complete it, chapter number 2 next day. Okay.